Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk about what to some people is a sensitive topic. To others, it results in a sensitive topic when people try to infringe upon it. But I'm going to be talking basically in code here, so hopefully everybody gets it. I'm going to be talking about your defense tools inventory. And defense tools isn't limited to just one type of thing. It's not always just the tool you use to go hunting with. And actually, you go several tools you can go hunting, but it's not the one that carries freedom seeds with it. Because you have all sorts of those things that are covered. But then there are other ones that are a little bit different. There are now the pre-charged pneumatics, which some of them are just as powerful as the ones that have the expensive freedom seeds. There are the ones that come with a string on it, that are used for archery competitions, your bows and arrows. Bows and arrows are relatively quiet and not going to give away your location. And neither will the pre-charged pneumatics to an extent, so long as you have the ones that doesn't go over 1,100 feet per second. So then there's also tomahawks. There are knives. There are materials for making snares. There are some other things, but those are some of the things you use for both for hunting. But some of those you can use as defense tools as well, but you got to be careful because of legal ramifications. One of the things you want to make sure of is that you have a good device to lock everything up in, where if someone breaks into your house, they're not going to be able to steal it easily. I'm trying to tap dance around it so the platform doesn't get mad at me. So basically, get out a pencil and paper, take inventory of what you actually have, the accessories you have for said item, and the amount of times you can use said item. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. And then figure out if the balloon were to go up, that'd be a major disaster that would basically cause a world without the rule of law. How long can you survive with what you have? How much more are you going to need? Can you make more? And that's what, and just on that note there, I'm just going to throw in a personal preference here. This is just my personal preference. That's why I'm looking at pre-charged pneumatics, because, hey, there's going to be plenty of material around to make the little that goes in it. Battery, lead acid batteries. Once you drain the acid out, hey, you got plenty of lead there. Alrighty, so I hope you're getting the idea as I'm dancing around a certain artificial intelligence here, and you are figuring out what I'm trying to get you to do. If not, email me directly. My email will be in the bottom of the description, and I can give you more information. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most important, stay prepared. All right? And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.